The next topic is priority queue heaps in C++ STL. So in C++ STL, this priority underscore queue is an inbuilt class, inbuilt container class which is used to implement heaps. This priority queue uses the max heap internally to implement priority queues. So we know that priority queue can be used for max heap. Then what about a min heap? For a min heap, additional parameters are passed like this to implement a min heap. So let's see the syntax for a max heap. Priority queue, type of data, name of the heap. For example, priority queue underscore queue, type of data, let's take int, and some name of heap as h. This is an example for this. So this will act like a max heap now. So what about a min heap? Priority underscore queue, type which is int, vector, type again int, comma greater, again type int, close it, and then name of a heap as hi. Some name, let's take here ha. You can take any name. So let's see methods on priority queue. So first one is empty. This empty function returns if the priority queue is empty or not. Next is the size. Size returns the size of the priority queue. Top just returns the root element or the maximum element in a max heap and minimum element in a min heap. Or the topmost element. What about a push? Push inserts an element. In heap or the priority queue. Pop deletes an element in heap or priority queue. Swap. This function swap is used when there are two priority queues. We can exchange the elements of both these priority queues. So these are the methods or functions on priority queues. Let me write a code to see how these priority queues are implemented. A C++ code. So let's define int main. So how is the max heap declared? For max heap, we know that priority underscore queue, then type int, and let's take the name of the priority queue as ma. Okay, this is how a max heap declared. So let's insert some elements in this queue in any order. So we know that to insert we use the push function. So ma.push of 15, and let's insert some elements in some random order. 46, then let's push 23, then let's push 9, after that let's push 2. So here we are inserting elements in any order. Okay, so how we will check if this priority queue is empty or not? We know that we can use the empty function. So ma.empty, this function checks if the priority queue is empty or not. Now when we should run this while loop? Only when this priority queue is not empty. So not of ma.empty will check if this priority queue is not empty. Till then this loop will run. As soon as the priority queue becomes empty, this loop will stop. Okay, so now if you want to if you want to see the top element, what we will do? We'll use ma.top. This will show the maximum element in the max heap. Okay, the root element. So we are using ma.top. This will just show the top element. What should we use to pop or delete the element? We should use ma.pop. Let's end it. So what will be the output of this code? So we had inserted 15, 46, 23, 9 and 2 in this order. So what will be the output? We know that in a max heap, always maximum element will be outputted first. So the output will be always in a decreasing order. So first 46 will come out, then 23, then 15, then 9 and then 2. Now let us see how min heap is implemented. So we are taking priority queue, we'll pass the type as int, then vector int comma greater int, and let's name it as mi. So this is now mi, the min heap. Okay, this is how we declare it. Then let's push the same elements which we took for the max heap. mi.push of 46, mi.push of 20, mi.push of 9 and mi.push of 2. So the same thing, while the priority queue mi, which is nothing but a min heap, is not empty, till then we will run the while loop. So cout mi.top. So the minimum element will come out first, right, in a min heap, and mi.pop. Pop will delete it. Top will just show the topmost element or the root element. That's all. What will be the output? Output will be 2 first, because it has the minimum value, then 9, then 15, then 20 and then 46. The procedure for the heaps and priority queue in Java is similar to C++. In Java, priority queue is the inbuilt container, same as C++. But in C++ it was defined as priority underscore queue. This is in C++. But for Java, priority queue, these both are capital. So in C++, the default was max heap when we defined priority queue, and we had to pass some additional features, right? But in Java, the default will be min heap. So the syntax for min heap in Java is this. And for max heap, we are passing some additional function to use priority queue as a max heap. Notes and everything is provided in the description. Go through them.